Ladies and gentlemen, again welcome to Car Zone 254 na niko na Mr. John hapa aka the car doctor. Now, this is a Toyota Harrier hybrid na bwana John, hebu ni explainie kidogo. Hapa engine iko wapi, ya stima iko wapi, motor iko wapi? I don't know it. I'm confused.
Engine always,
yes,
wakati umefungua bonnet inakuwa on the left side. Probably on Toyota cars.
Okay, probably on Toyota cars inakuwa on the left.
On the left.
Yes.
The right side ni gearbox. So the left side ya Toyota in the engine itself.
Yes. This is the combustion engine.
Yeah, combustion engine.
Yes.
The other side, this is the hybrid system.
Yes.
On top of the gearbox,
yes,
kuna kitu inaitwa inverter.
Inverter.
Yeah.
Oh, inverter is what generates
the power.
Generate the power.
Yeah.
That is very nice. So ninaona hapa imeandikwa hybrid synergy drive. Hii jina synergy ni nini?
This is the part of the hybrid system now.
Or is the system?
Yeah.
Okay.
The hybrid system.
So this is the upande ya motor and then there is an inverter. Yeah. From here I cannot see an inverter.
This is the inverter.
Where is the inverter?
So, yeah, it's already here.
High
voltage. Yeah.
High voltage inside. Yeah. Do not remove this cover if you know nothing about car. Kwa hivyo usijifikirie tunataka kuja kuunda hapa hizi bulb to change. So kwa wale wako wanajua combustion engine on the left.
On the left side.
The right side,
the gearbox. On top of it for the hybrid system,
yes,
is the inverter.
So gearbox ndio huku chini.
Yeah, iko chini.
So na motor ya hii iko wapi?
Motor iko ndani ya gearbox itself.
Motor ya stima.
Yeah. So the hybrid system,
yes,
kwa gearbox, it's only the generator itself.
Yes.
Nothing else.
Na battery iko wapi?
Battery is on the behind of the car.
Iko underneath the boot.
No. Underneath the seat, the passenger seat.
Sisi tunakalia power.
I come and show you.
Okay. Camera, even though there is no space because of light. Very nice. Here we will get a very good visual. Let's give weight for the camera. You see the way it is? Sorry.
That's the hybrid battery system.
So how many batteries are this?
It's a 3-pack, but each cells, each pack could contain 12 batteries. The total is 30 batteries.
Yeah. So 30 cells, ama?
Yeah, 30 cells, yeah.
Oh, 30 cells.
30 cells, yeah.
Na hizi nini zinakaa za round hapa? The kind of silver?
Those are the cooling fans.
The cooling. So it's like a whole system.
Yeah. It's a whole system.
Kwa hivyo wewe umekaa chini kwa kiti, mambo inafanyika chini yako.
Ndio hiyo.
Ndio inaitwa chini ya maji, lakini sasa ni chini ya kiti.
Watu wengi huwa hawajui hybrid batteries ziko wapi, but zinakuwa chini ya kiti on Toyota cars. Yeah. The other like Prius ziko nyuma ya boot, ziko kwa boot.
Prius iko kwa boot. But I imagine because this car CC zake ziko juu, kwa hivyo nayo iko na more batteries because also it needs more power.
More power, yeah.
So this is the future. So ladies and gentlemen, hapa umeona system A. So we are here with Mr. John. Na wale ambao wamekuwa misinformed about hybrid cars, I'm telling you this is the future because even there are plans for many companies to stop combustion engine and to go to hybrid and later full electric. So I love it that we have professionals like him. Ameniambia hizi vitu unaweza fix one cell at around 6,000 and they kona 30 cells. So zikiharibika zote is 30 times 6,000. And tumeonyeshwa system hapa, there are fans and this is a very serious thing going on. So if you have any question, ingia pale kwa comments Car Zone 254 on YouTube, andika swali lako na tutakuwa tunafikishia kwa this gentleman na tutakuwa tunakujibu. And if you want help, also write to us. Ukitaka kuona picha nyingi na nzuri, and also let us discuss pale kwa Facebook, follow us on Car Zone 254, and also kuangalia picha zetu nzuri, also follow us on Instagram Car Zone 254 KE. Tafadhali, let's help each other, let's converse and make sure tunasaidiana kuhusu magari. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Iko sawa.